Planning a family vacation but worried about traveling with kids? We've all been there. The excitement of the upcoming holiday tempered by the apprehension of the journey with little ones. The fear of tantrums, boredom, and general chaos can make parents dread what should be a joyful experience. But what if it doesn't have to be that way? What if there were strategies you could employ to make it a breeze? Fear not. This video will offer you practical and easy-to-follow tips for a stress-free family vacation. The first step to a worry-free vacation with kids is preparation. It's the cornerstone upon which smooth travel experiences are built. So, what does this entail? Well, it's all about packing smartly and researching wisely. Firstly, pack the essentials. Snacks, for instance, are a lifesaver. A well-fed child is a happy child, so stock up on those healthy nibbles and keep hunger tantrums at bay. Then think entertainment. A bored child can quickly turn a peaceful journey into a chaotic one, so pack plenty of games, books, or anything that can keep their little minds engaged. Next, a well-stocked first aid kit is a must. You never know when a little scrape or a sudden fever might pop up. Lastly, research your destination. Ensure it's child-friendly with plenty of activities to keep the young ones entertained. Remember, the more you prepare, the less you have to worry about. Now, let's dive into some tips for when you're actually on the move. Traveling can often be a mix of excitement and a little bit of chaos, especially when kids are involved. So how do you keep the journey smooth and the spirits high? One important tip is to break up long journeys with regular breaks. Kids need to stretch their legs, run around, and burn off some energy. It helps keep them from getting restless and grumpy. Secondly, remember to keep a variety of entertainment options on hand. These can range from their favorite books, games, or even a tablet loaded with their favorite shows. A little distraction goes a long way in keeping the peace. Lastly, prioritize their comfort. From cozy clothes to their favorite blanket or stuffed animal, having familiar comfort items can make a world of difference in unfamiliar environments. By keeping these tips in mind, you can ensure a smooth journey for everyone involved. Traveling with kids doesn't have to be a daunting task. By taking the time to prepare and remembering to be patient, you can transform the journey into an adventure. Our main points revolved around planning ahead, keeping the kids entertained, and ensuring everyone's comfort during the trip. These elements are essential for a stress-free family vacation. So don't let the fear of the unknown hold you back. With these practical tips in mind, your next family vacation can be a stress-free and enjoyable experience for everyone.